Hakasin nyngkong apo ke jela Meghalaya kin nonghikai haki skul sorkar kin syabu dien no leng baka apps laki poi thikna ne syaki skul balabu yaki ban ai jinghikai nak banta ke jingpoi ki khna skul hakapuli puthi. Ya kani ka apps atip kum ka teachers attendance monitoring system but day da kabalas dang ha East Jente Hills District hapo ke jelam udupdi commissioner ka East Jente Hills District u Abilash Baranwal. Lawan ban pelaj ya kani ka apps documentary ketan exercise ukur mencela ringkat ke jidon lang UDC Baranwal u Kising SDO Sadar East Jente Hills District u balada mental lengba ke video conference ringkat ki officer sorkar ki rangba snong bat kiwe ha video conference room ka office UDC Klirian.
Introduced newly in East Jente Hills and which is one of a kind to detect the attendance of teachers, and then we believe through this we will try to go ahead in different departments so that we will give justice to the people of East Jente Hills. As of now we have tried only for the teachers, government LP school, and we believe the teachers who teach in different schools will attend and then they will work along with us so that we give justice to the children of East Jente Hills. Otherwise, until unless the teachers shows the discipline, how can we teach discipline to our children? So this is the main motive of this application. This app will help a lot, and I believe that all of us will cooperate and will work together. Especially we have our headman who will monitor physically there. So if any complaints later on, we will try to find out how do we tackle that complaints or if any fall in this application. But what I have seen, I mean, today through this launching of this app, we have seen that we learn that this application seems almost 100% perfect.